What makes Life.io Helio a strong addition to my product lineup? And how can it help me attract, retain, or support my clients? Life.io Helio is a nutritionally complete, all-in-one shake featuring key foundational nutrients, designed for consumers seeking a premium all-in-one protein shake. Although we believe nearly everyone could benefit from consuming the shake on a daily basis, it's important to note that this new product is not here to replace our core products, like Formula One and Protein Drink Mix. Adding a new product like this allows Herbalife Independent Distributors to meet a wider range of customer needs by offering both specialized solutions and a convenient all-in-one approach to everyday wellness. Life.io Helio is a dietary supplement product that supports a healthy lifespan and is suggested to be consumed once a day. Although this product does include 30 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber, and 21 vitamins and minerals, along with functional ingredients, botanicals, polyphenols, and beneficial fats, it is not considered a meal replacement.